為我用手，我而家用手力，你唔好俾我，你打我，係咪打得起我啊？但係如果我用嗰種沉重鬆軟，而係從呢個命門裏邊一種好鬆透嘅，我將個 power 交咗呢一點嗰度。光個點係實㗎嘛，實佢易捉摸啦。如果我呢點係鬆，佢點捉摸我？你睇下，睇到我好冇力咁樣，我完全唔使用力㗎。因為佢一硬咧，佢哋個力係直力嚟㗎嘛。我喺佢中間點呢一點嗰度旋轉，明唔明啊
？Feels like a ball rolling this way, hit me here。
因為佢冇咗方向感。佢個腦裏邊諗緊我做乜嘢，但係我腦唔使諗喎，因為佢嘅直點已經俾咗我話俾我聽，佢而家係想頂住，佢係想hold 咗我 power，或者想attack我。呢件事佢attack我又好，唔係attack我都係攻擊我又好啦。嗱，如果我要回就回，我唔要我請佢走一段先，從頭開始，我俾佢走一段我先用佢啦。明唔明啊？但係我呢個框咧，兩個框咧。我兩個框係咁樣去㗎，我呢邊隻手呢邊我兩個框咁去，跟住翻轉啦。呢個咪 rebound，呢個咪反彈咯啦。反彈啊反彈啦。
Because you always talk about how you use it. You never said go ahead. I got you, man. I'm behind you.
嗱，佢咁大力咧，我覺得用手力頂佢。Push me. Power, really power. Push me.
He's giving you muscle. He can't hold. He can't do anything.
而家我咧用一個鬆透嘅力㗎啦，係嘛？佢都無所適從，佢攞唔到我力點，等於一樣嘢。
沒有地方落嗱，落不上去。
如果我呢一邊係沉喺呢邊鬆上嚟咧，佢個 power 已經俾我，佢個 power 已經俾我攞咗啦，係咪攞咗嗱，如果我呢邊嗱。係咪等於我嘅手一樣啊？所以身同手係將來冇分別㗎。嗱
，just like the hands are not there. Yeah. Oh.
Push me.
Yeah, can't.
隨便你任何一個方向。
Yeah.
係嘛？佢推上我俾佢上天啊！上天啦！嗱，我要佢上天就得，我要佢落地就得。個徑度係跟人去走㗎，我哋係練緊一樣嘢咧，保護自己嘅功夫，唔好去打人。我唔需要人聽啦，我啲咁鬼老嘅年紀大啊，仲打咩人啊？能夠自為得啦，老人家係咪先嗱？睇住啦，睇住啦，呢個搖擺力好強㗎。睇住唔好俾佢跌。
Just keep your neck.
唔好俾佢跌佢成個木頭公仔咁轉啊，已經任何方向我點打佢都得。
There's no way if he uses his arm he can do that. So from here, yeah.
Connected to